All right, hi everybody. So this is Emily speaking. Born in New York and made in Korea. I've been here in Korea for almost, I think, 14, 15 years, but I've been dancing professionally, I think, for maybe 5 to 6. So working here in the K-pop industry, you probably noticed me dancing for jaypark, ATEEZ, and many, many more, TXT. I'm currently working as a dance trainer in Hybe Entertainment. And on the side, I also teach at many, many studios, pop-up classes, you name it. At the moment, I'm here with you guys at The Director. Very nice to meet you all. I hope that this lecture really helps for those who really want to either become a dancer career-wise, or maybe just even want to try developing their dance skills in a way. And I hope that this really helps. I'm gonna try my best, and I hope you guys really follow along. So yeah, 화이팅!